It's up there already?
What? Okay, here we go. So I'm just measuring out where to place the brackets. Okay, that's all marked out. Yes! Well, it's up. Let's take a look. I don't know if you can see this, but the clips are on. Alright, let's roll this sucker down and see what it looks like. Voila! Now, a couple things. It's up, but the cleats are not on. They're not installed over here and on the other end. So the top portion kind of tucks behind the board here, so it's not really attached. So that would be my only concern. But everything else is good. It's holding. When it's not cleated down, it can be raised up still, which is kind of nice. So that's that. And if we wanted to lower it again, goes all the way back, it just tucks in behind the piece of wood. There it is. Home improvements.
It's up there already?
What?
Oh, Rob, that looks nice. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
You like it?
Oh, I love it. Gosh, you did a great job.
I'll show you how it works. So it's not tacked down in the back.
Oh, yeah, it just got sitting there.
It goes down, back this way, goes back and then kind of down behind this piece of wood. So
okay.
I got to figure a way to tack it down.
Oh. Okay.
So right now that's what I have, but
it's there.
It's working.
So, can you open it for me to see what it looks like?
Sure.
You did a wonderful job. Oh,
well, thank you.
God.
Thank you very much. So, and then I was gonna black it out, but I thought maybe it'd be better just to have a diffused light come through, because it just, even in the wintertime, it's nice to have that light come through.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I probably won't open that too much.
Yeah.
This is the main one. I don't want to open it all the way either. That looks great. Yeah, thank you, Rob.
You're welcome.